Hey guys, I'm Ben from Kayhan Audio. I'm just going to show you a bit of what we do. So over here we've got our speaker package. So with this one, these speakers are just your standard 6.5 inch speakers. So they can go into pretty much any car you've got. We do sell these for the FG Falcon as a full kit as well. So we've got your speaker adapters, anything you need for your FG, your factory speaker plugs. We can make that work direct fit for an FG Falcon. Over here we do also sell car batteries. So car batteries, got a massive stock of them. Whatever you need, we can get that done as well. Alright, so this is a VF Commodore wheel. So as you can see, we do a full custom trimming of these ones, flat bottom, custom stitch color, custom leather, whatever you want, we can get done for that as well. Over here, we've got our CarPlay Android Auto modules as well. So these ones work for your factory systems, so factory system integration. Then we've got your full head unit upgrades, and then even things as simple as your CarPlay Go. So with the CarPlay Go, it's just a portable device that sits on your dashboard. Still gives you the CarPlay, Android Auto, or fully wireless. That's a very budget-friendly option, so they can get the job done. And then just working around this way here, this is where we've got our FG Falcon and Commodore stuff all set up on display. So FG Mark II, FG Mark 1, these are your two Android version 6 systems. You've got your universal 9-inch system, which is a version 6 as well. And then over here you got your Commodore stuff. So this is a VE Series 2 Commodore and VE Series 1 Commodore head unit. Then working around over this way, so from here we've got our budget-friendly options. So for this one, this is a BABF Linux system. BABF Linux, as you can see, different color fascias. This is more of your budget-friendly type of system, so it still gives you the wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Then over here we've got a massive unit for a Nissan Navara, so 13-inch screen with this one. Still gives you wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, all that fun stuff. And then over here again, we've got our FG stuff, but our base units again, so Linux. So still wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, but more of a budget-friendly option. And then working over to this, you'll see clips galore basically. So it's like a candy shop for clips. So if you're missing any clips for any of your interior panels, come to us and we'll have you sorted in that sense as well. Working over to this wall on this side, we've got all of our little accessories. So USB in-dash ports. So if you've got a Nissan, a Mazda, a Toyota, then we've got any type of dash mount USB port to go into these ones. Over on this side, we've got our amp fuses, so plenty of fuses, whatever you need there we've got as well. Power filters, RCAs, noise suppressors, whatever you need for your audio related stuff, we've got. So over here, we've got our display setup and audio setup. So if you want to come in and have a listen to our speakers, then you're more than welcome to. So at the moment, we've got these running off our 5-channel amp. So we've got our 6.5-inch speakers, all located on the sides here, with our 10-inch single coil sub as well, just set up there. So this is all running through our Android version 6 system. So if you want to come in, you can have a play around with the inbuilt equalizer. You got your built-in crossovers, so high pass filters and low pass filters for every channel, every speaker. We've also got a wide range of different speakers as well. So we've got our 6x9s over here, along with our tweeters and stuff located down the bottom as well. And then over here, we've got our big mono block for your subs. So this is our biggest amp. So that's just a mono block. You can run a single or 2 subs or whatever you want off that one. And then we've got our baby mono block down the bottom as well. Over here again, you can see our custom steering wheels. So this one's for a VW Golf. So custom airbags, stitch color, whatever you want there, we can get done as well. Then over on this side, we've got a Ford Focus steering wheel. So for this one again, you've got your red leather, custom center line, custom stitching, whatever you want, you can get done. So come visit the team. We're open 7 days a week, Monday to Sunday, 9 AM to 6 PM. We're located at 3/151 Dohertys Road, Laverton North.